See, this is home screen of the VPN application. Very, very simple layout. At the top here, we have the option to select whichever server you want to use. Not very much server that they offer. As you can see, these are all the servers that they offer at the moment. But whichever server you want to use, all you have to do is tap on the select option here. We'll ask for connection and press stop on OK. And VPN will start connecting in no time. Do keep in mind, we do have 10 minutes of connection time. You're going to have to watch the ad to get 5 minutes or 30 minutes connection time. So do not make the connection time runs out and you have not added your time. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this application. Very, very simple and straightforward to use. It's limited ads. The only ads you'll be watching is to add time to this VPN application here. So very good VPN application. The speed is decent, not gonna lie, but need some more servers. So if I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and I'll see if I can help you. See you in the next one.